You're like famous. He's like Instafamous, baby.
Hey boys, mom?
Yeah.
Oh, I got plenty of embarrassing stories to tell you.
I'm his sister.
Your sister? Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome for Instafamous. My name is Ray Ray. I'm glad y'all enjoyed the show. Thank you so much. Holy crap! This is amazing! That was really, really fun. What up? On the big screen, even motherfucking Max, that was the greatest fucking movie of all time. I don't give a damn what nobody says. Oh my god!
I love the confidence.
Holy shit! You ain't feel that? You ain't feel that shit, nigga? You feel that shit? That's my friend sister right there.
Hi! You look so great. Oh,
Thank you. Thank you.
congratulations.
That was great premiere.
Congrats, Perry, bro. Congrats. Thanks for inviting me, bro.
Perry's movie was better than expected.
Movie afterthoughts, go.
It's good. I laughed a lot.
I laughed too.
Probably because I was a little high too. Thank you so much.
Every single time I got cussed out, I went to him crying. I said, Nigel, they don't like me no more. And he was like, look, man, look, you're gonna be okay. Let's do this again. And he rehearsed it with me, and we played the scenes right, and it's hilarious.
I think the best parts were with you and that girl where she was like,
she's like trying to jump.
yeah. Those are the best parts.
Get the jump, bro.
Yeah, Loki, she was like one of the better actors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was really nice. Yeah, I agree. Yeah.